May I take the honor to invite our organizing secretary in INAZL 2025 and secretary general for INAZL, Dr. Ajay Duseja, to please be on the stage for the valedictory ceremony. May I also take the honor to invite Dr. Sunil Taneja, organizing secretary for INAZL 2025.
Dr. Dhiman may join us, President in Azal, I think.
So we will be beginning first with the quiz results and the prize for that. The first team is the East Zone. Dr. Siddhanta Sahu and Dr. Dhananjaya Panda from SCB MCH Cuttack. They won the hepatology, All India Hepatology quiz. There will be e-certificates and cash prizes. The Team C East Zone, Dr. Siddhanta Sahu and Dr. Dhananjaya Panda. They have been awarded with 25,000 rupees. The second winners were North Zone, Dr. Montan Ghosh and Dr. Abhik Halder from PGI Chandigarh. They have been awarded with 20,000 for standing on the second position. The third is the West Zone, Dr. Krati Mishra and Dr. Akash Kotwal from GMC Nagpur. Anybody from GMC Nagpur? They have been awarded with 15,000 cash and e-certificates, yes.
Fourth team will also get these certificates. So I think we will pass it on to them. Thank you.
We will be providing with the e-certificates for the hepatology quiz. Let us come to the plenary session awards. May I take the honor to invite Dr. Divya P. Kumar. She stands first. She's received a prize of 15,000. Number 2 is Dr. Nipun Verma, a cash prize of 10,000, and he's come second in the plenary session. The third prize has been awarded to Dr. Gaurav Tripathi, a 5,000 cash prize for the plenary session award. The fourth and the fifth position is by Dr. Sagnik Biswas and Dr. Akhilesh S. We will be emailing these e-certificates. Yes, if you're there in the auditorium, you can also collect the certificates. Dr. Sagnik Biswas and Dr. Akhilesh S. Dr. Sagnik Biswas is at number 4 and Dr. Akhilesh S is at number 5. We now have the Young Investigator Award. Dr. Ashwin P. Vinod stands first. have been awarded with 10,000 cash prize and the certificate. Young investigator, 15,000. The second position is by Dr. Pinky Juneja. Dr. Pinky has been awarded with 10,000 cash prize for the Young Investigator Award. The third prize has been awarded to Dr. Bala Raja S. Dr. Bala Raja has been awarded with 5,000 cash prize with the certificate. The fourth and the fifth position is by Dr. Madan Kumar and Dr. Sambhav Gupta. If you're there in the auditorium, so we will proceed. No, sir. Dr. Madan Kumar and Dr. Sambhav Gupta. Fourth and the fifth position. Dr. Madan? Dr. Madan Kumar holds the fourth position in the Young Investigator. Dr. Sambhav Gupta is at the fifth position. And Dr. Madan Kumar was at fourth. Yes. Now we have the Inazal Oral Session Award. Dr. Arun Sanyal is at the first position with 15,000 cash prize. Dr. Arun has left. Dr. Sandeep Singh Sidhu is at the second position. Dr. Parminder Kaur at the third position. A cash prize of 5,000 for Dr. Parminder Kaur. The Inazal Oral Session Award, Dr. Parminder Kaur at the third position. Now we have the Presidential Poster Awards. May I take the honor to invite Dr. Pratibha Garg. She's at the first position. The poster, the first prize is for 12,000. Second prize, Dr. Sri Harini Karthik. Dr. Sri Harini Karthik has been 10,000 cash prize and a e-certificate. The third position is by Dr. Manu Mehta. Dr. Manu Mehta has been awarded with 7,500 cash prize and the certificate. The fourth position on the presidential poster is by Dr. Arpit Shastri. 5,000 cash prize and the certificate. I think we all are headed to Inazal after party now. Dr. Sunita Giri holds the fifth position in presidential poster. Dr. Sunita Giri. The next award is Poster of Distinction, Dr. Rajat Prabhakar Pandey. First prize. Dr. Rajat has been applauded with 12,000 cash prize and the certificate. The second prize will Dr. Shuchi OC. Posters of distinction, second prize, Dr. Shuchi OC. 10,000 cash prize and the certificate. The third position is by Dr. Ganesh CP. $7,500 cash prize and the certificate. Dr. Manisha Yadav holds the fourth position in poster of distinction. Dr. Manisha Yadav. $5,000 cash prize. Dr. Kanu Priya holds the fifth position. Again, 5,000 cash prize with the certificate. For the general poster, first prize is Dr. Ankita Singh. She has been awarded with 10,000 and the certificate. Dr. Ankita Singh, would anybody like to collect on her behalf? Dr. Kolali Sai Samarth, the second prize for the general poster. $7,500 and the certificate. The third prize is Dr. Tirupati Venkata Sai Vaibhav. Dr. Tirupati is here. Anybody from Dr. Tirupati Center? Fourth is Dr. Chita Ranjan Khatua. Dr. Chita Ranjan Khatua. And the fifth is Dr. Ashray S. Patel, if you're here in the auditorium. Dr. Ashray S. Patel, 5,000 cash prize for the general poster. I request we have a colleague of Dr. Ashray S. Patel. Let me invite Dr. Ajay Duseja to please give the closing remarks.
So good afternoon. I think all good things come to an end. And I tell you, this is our dream kind of a meeting, I must say, and this was allotted to us, as I said, 2 years back. And that was the time, we started working on this. First was to finding the venue, deciding the dates, to, every step. I think we have been working very, very hard, and this is, a very collective effort, I must say, from the local organizing committee, especially my colleagues from my department, Dr. Taneja, Dr. Madhumita, Dr. Nipun, Dr. Orka Day, Dr. Babulal, and Dr. Nameen, and all other staff from the department. We have tried our best to make this meeting as good and as memorable as possible. I'm not sure, I'm still looking for feedback, though we're getting very positive feedback that how much we have been successful. I'm sure, organizing such a big meeting, there would have been some lapses, some shortcomings, but you need to excuse us for that. Please look at the good things which we have done this year. And your encouragement would mean a lot, not only to the local organizing committee, but also to in ASL. So for the future meetings, I think I would only say that from now, for today, it's goodbye to all of you, and we look forward to your future in ASL meetings. And also on behalf of the Governing Council of INASL, I would like to thank each one of you, for your active participation. Let me start with thanking first the international faculty, the national faculty, all the delegates, exhibitors, everybody, and all our academic partners, and above all, our conference manager, Maisha, who have done a wonderful job. So thank you all. See you in the next meetings. And maybe, Dr. Neil, you can come and say something before we conclude.
I don't have words to express. It's been a wonderful meeting, and I thank you all so much for being a part of this conference this time. And I hope to see you all in the future meetings as well. Thank you so much.
Anybody wants to say anything is most welcome. Otherwise, we call it a day. Thank you, sir. Please come. Aye, sir.
I think Ajay and Sunil and the whole department of hepatology, people all stand and give them a good clap, right? They did a wonderful job. That's why I came in. You did a wonderful job. Keep it up and let INSL do. One thing I want to say, let INSL do more original scientific presentation by young people. And now since our strength has increased, every faculty, every institute has PhD students, DM resident. You have so many DNB and DM. It should be made a particular effort to have an inclusive conference and to do more original work presentations. Rather than calling these old fellows like me and Professor Jogesh Chawla to speak on some old topics. That's my suggestion, but you did a good job. Thank you.
Anybody else? No. Okay, Dr. Harpreet. Yes.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ajay. I, on behalf of ISGCon 66, being the organizing secretary for Amritsar, Dr. Harpreet Singh, invite all of you to visit Amritsar from December 3rd to 6th. Amritsar, the menu remains Radisson Blu Hotel. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Anything from you, Shifali, or your team? Anybody? Can we request all of you to please come on the stage and say thank you to everybody? Can I also request all the local organizing committee, all faculty colleagues from the department, residents, to please just come for one last picture, and then it's goodbye. Those of you who are joining us for Timber Trail farewell dinner, the vehicles will leave at 4 p.m. from Hotel Lalit. Thank you all. See you in the next INASL meeting. Thank you very much.